Welcome to this tutorial on how to star a video in Google Drive on your PC. Starring files is a great way to keep your most important videos easily accessible. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This will take you to your Google Drive homepage, where all your files and folders are stored. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, locate the video you want to star. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you find the video, look for the three dots icon next to it. This icon represents more options for that specific file. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see several options related to that video file. Look for the option labeled Organize and click on it. This will open another menu where you can manage how your files are organized in Google Drive. In the Organize menu, you will see an option that says Add to Starred. Click on this option, and just like that, your video is now starred. This means it will be easier for you to find later without having to sift through all your files. Now that you've starred your video, let's quickly recap the steps. Open Google Drive. Find your video. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Organize, and then choose Add to Starred. To view all your starred items in Google Drive, simply look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Starred. Clicking on this will show you all the files and videos you've marked as starred, allowing for quick access whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully starred a video in Google Drive on your PC. This simple feature can greatly enhance your productivity by keeping important files just a click away. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.